We have a 1979 Dodge Magnum XE. This one's pretty special. It's loaded with options, including the glass T-tops. It's sporty and luxurious. It's got the stripes, the wheels, the handling package, and inside is all leather upholstery, but a tachometer in the dash, all sorts of good stuff, even right down to the original CB radio. We've got the original window sticker, the original literature, the invoice, the contracts and that sort of stuff. It's a miscellaneous ownership history. I know it was a one owner until at least 2004 that we can document. And it's lived in the same area, like the same town, for almost all of its life. 22,000 mile survivor car. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the information. Look at the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag with an easy monthly payment. If you enjoy our videos, go to subscribe to our website. Sorry, I messed that all up. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and that way you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, here's a pretty big, cool car right here. And it's special. I was even Googling Magnum just to learn more about them, and they're brown or don't have T-tops. I mean, this is a pretty sporty looking car for such a big car. This took the place of the Dodge Charger, I learned. So up here, the hood has no damage. It's straight. It lines up perfectly square and flush. I love these flares on here. I never really noticed any car having those from the factory. This is clean and straight, no rust. Has sport mirrors, big, long, heavy doors, shuts like a new car. All this is nice. Got flares on the rear wheel wells too. All the metal is outstanding. I don't see damage, no rust. I don't see any issues. You didn't back into anything with it. All the body's real nice. The flares are also in excellent shape. They're not broken or falling apart. Shuts like new. Excellent, excellent doors. No rust, no damage. Now the paint. This is olive, or at least mostly the original paint on the car. I think it shows really well. Nice, bright, shiny red paint. If you get up on it, of course it's going to have patina. It's 1979. They weren't perfect when they were new. So the stripe has a little bit of cracking in the stripes, which I didn't even notice until I'm looking at it right now a little closer. A couple like little mild little stains, little chips in the paint, imperfections. Paint overall looks really sharp. There's little rock chips along the bottom. Here's a little bigger chip right here. Little nicks, chips, things like that you're gonna find. Here's a scratch right here that's been brush touched. It's a little character. You expect to find that. So someone must have did some blending right here. It's a little funky looking. And right in here, it's like a different color. Or they buffed through it or something, but it's like a cloudy spot here and there. Yes, various little nicks and chips. Original bumper. It shows very well. Now that I'm right up on it, it has some little freckling and a little bit of age, but it's a shiny, straight bumper. Rear window defroster. Glass is crystal clear. Trim is real nice. There are some hairline cracks in the sticker. I love the sticker stripe, though. I think that's really cool. And again, I mentioned it, but the glass T-tops, what a neat option. Like we have pictures on our website with those off the car. Original windshield, crystal clear. The wheels, these are factory wheels. They're extra wide, probably 15 by 8. Boy, they're sparkly, too. All the trim is in excellent shape. Tires look like they're new. Fender mounted turn signals, they work. Does have the headlight covers. They are yellowed and cracked. They're plastic, so just from age, they're showing their age. Actually, I wonder if they open and close when you turn it on. We'll try that out. Front bumper, grill, all that's in very good shape. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool looking car. And I'm going to tell you what, this thing's very affordable. You don't have to spend a fortune to get a nostalgic, cool car to go to the shows with. Let's open it up. Got a lot more to show you. So this car is loaded with options, and one of those options is a power trunk release in the glove box, which does work. I already clicked it. So this original paint, real nice shape. The latch still looks like new. Clean trunk compartment. It's all carpeted. You have a spare under here. You have the bags for the T-top. The jack is over here. Maybe never even been out of the car. So nice, nice original trunk. Yeah, I mentioned options. This thing is loaded. It has air conditioning, the handling package, T-tops, tachometer, cruise control, all the power windows, locks, trunk, seat, all leather upholstery, leather sport wheel, bucket seats. So the jambs look really nice and clean. The weather strips are still real good. Door panels are mint on both sides. You see the power window switches. It's the XE. I think that's like a luxury trim package. The dash area is really nice. We did replace the wiper switch and the wiper motor. We charged the air conditioning. 22,213 miles. Has an optional tachometer. Look at all the wood grain and plastic is all real nice. Check out the radio. It's a Chrysler factory stereo with a CB. The ashtray doesn't look like it's been used. The lighter might have been used to light 1 or 2 cigarettes. This is all real nice. It's a digital clock. It lights up. Yeah, it's working. It was 10:50 something when I checked it a few minutes ago. Glove box lights up, nice and clean. Optional floor mats, and just look at how nice they are. They're like still mint. Nice thick plush carpets are in excellent shape. So this is not a bench seat. These are bucket seats with the optional center armrest. And when I say leather, this is all leather. Nice poofy leather seats with the little chrome buckles in there. Looks pretty cool. It's got the rear floor mats, all leather and back. Seat belts, side panels are all real nice. Headliners not falling down, all nice and clean. All the trim, everything looks really good. Visors, the mirror. The steering wheel is another option. It's a soft cushion grip, leather wrapped 3-spoke wheel. This here is a cruise control. Got the sport mirrors on the outside, the remote mirrors. I'm just thinking what other options it has. The rear window defroster. So this is the 360 motor. Runs real nice and smooth. It's all stock. All the air cleaner, hoses and straps and all the vacuum actuators all look stock. All original paint on the firewall. So there's a Chrysler tag on the giant alternator. We charged the air conditioning. That was working. Everything's in place. The overflow, the shroud. Look at this wild windshield washer. It's like part of the battery hold down. Kind of wild. We do have power steering. We've got power brakes. It still has stickers on the valve covers. Here's your cruise control. Wiper motor, like I said, is new. And here's the fender tags. Yeah, it's got so many options, they had to use 2 tags.
Alright guys, we are going to take this 79 Magnum around the block, see how it cruises. Man, this thing drives like a dream. Steering's a little floaty, but not bad. Acceleration's very nice on it, no hesitations. I don't feel any vibrations or rattling, anything like that. She's a cruiser. I was looking through the window sticker. We have the original window sticker. It is taped up a little bit, but this thing is very well optioned out for 79. That's when they started introducing all these different power options, especially for the interior and just cruisability. This car has it. Turn signals work. Brakes are nice on it. It's like driving a practically new car. The blinkers up top there on the front fender are working. Turn signal cancels. Now you're not going to win any races in this car, but you'll look cool cruising it, that's for sure. Let's see if the wipers work. Oh, that works. I shut it off too early. We're cruising 60 miles an hour, guys. Absolute no issues. This thing glides over the bumps. Drives straight. Windows work. Again, those are power. Front and passenger, driver and passenger. The power seat works as well. Moves back and forth. It was optioned with that armrest in the center here. Looks like all the gauges are working. The temperature gauge, the alternator gauge, the fuel gauge, and the oil pressure. So yeah, there you have it. You're not going to find a 79 Magnum with all these options in the originality. The radio does work. The antenna is off of it just because it's long. It doesn't fit through our garage doors, but that does work. Same with the CB radio as well. You can flip through all the channels. That's working, so very nice original car.
Yeah, so it's a pretty neat piece of nostalgia. I had a friend in high school who had one of these, so yeah, just a neat piece, from the flares to the tops and the stripes and the big leather couch that's sitting inside this thing. Just a neat car for not a lot of money. And 22,000 mile original Survivor. Yeah, it's going to have its little patina. That's with any Survivor. I think it's in really nice shape. It's just been serviced. Underneath the car is just well maintained, original. It's not rotten, it's solid, just maintained as needed. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. It has a torque flight automatic. It's VIN number matched to the car. Does have a dual exhaust system on there. So again, just maintained as needed. Go out and Google 79 Dodge Magnum. You're not going to find them decked out like this one. Go to volocars.com. And salesmen will help answer your questions, like how to get it to your home, how to get it financed. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.